the falling down. I should have stopped, but I do not know how. Just for now, let's make things right. Have some fun, or at least we'll try it. You've got your truth, and I got mine. So what the use of blowing my mind? Some kind of game where we both lose. Should I play with it's not you? Now take the rest, but babe I swear that I did my best. Why to pretend that we both care? Times I did and you went there. I've got to run, my heart is bleeding, and I feel back and I really mean it. Was it you, or just someone? What can I do? Let's take a run. Now take the rest, but babe I swear that I did my best. Why to pretend that we both care? Times I did and you went there. I've got to run, my heart is bleeding, and I feel back and I really mean it. Was it you, or just someone?